Did you know that 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? That's crazy! But here's the real shocker. If you're not making money online, you could be missing out on thousands of dollars every month. Don't let that be you. If you're ready to make money online with no experience, this video is for you. I'll share 5 beginner-friendly ways you can start earning from the internet today. Stick around until the end because the last job I'll share could turn your spare time into a goldmine. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Before we jump in, hit that subscribe button. Next week, we talk about more ways to increase your wealth. Alright, let's get into it. Pay attention, because these jobs could change your life. First up, transcription jobs. Ever notice how some YouTube videos or podcasts have subtitles or written transcripts? Someone has to type those up, and companies are willing to pay you to do it. The best part? You don't need any special skills, just good listening and typing abilities. Websites like Rev, TranscribeMe, and GoTranscript are great places to start. You'll listen to audio clips, type what you hear, and get paid per project. Pro tip: start small with short clips, and as you get faster, take on longer projects. The more you type, the more you'll earn. Pay attention. This is important. Accuracy matters more than speed. Most platforms test your skills before you get accepted, so focus on being precise. Next, virtual assistant work. If you're organized and good at following instructions, you can earn money as a virtual assistant. Businesses and entrepreneurs are always looking for help with tasks like answering emails, managing schedules, or posting on social media. You don't need experience, just a willingness to learn. Websites like Upwork or Belay connect you with clients looking for part-time or project-based help. Start by offering services you're comfortable with, like data entry or simple research. As you gain experience, you can branch out into more complex tasks like managing social media calendars or customer support. Here's the best part. Virtual assistant jobs are super flexible, so you can work around your schedule, whether you're in school, working another job, or just chilling at home. Keep watching, because hustle number 5 will show you how to build a career online while earning money right now. Third, selling study notes or digital resources. This one's perfect for students or anyone who loves creating educational content. Websites like Sudoku or Nexus Notes let you upload your class notes, study guides, or even practice tests for others to purchase. Here's how it works. If you're already taking good notes in class or creating flashcards, why not monetize them? You can also design worksheets, lesson plans, or cheat sheets and sell them as downloadable files on Etsy or Gumroad. Pro tip: make your resources visually appealing and easy to use. You don't need to be a design pro. Canva has free templates that make it simple. The cool thing is, once you upload a product, it can keep selling for months, earning you passive income while you focus on other things. Keep watching because the next hustle could help you earn thousands a month and build skills for a long-term career. Now, testing websites and apps. Big companies need regular people to test their websites and apps for bugs and usability. That's where you come in. Websites like User Testing, Try My UI, and Test.io pay you to browse their platforms and give feedback. Here's how it works. You'll follow instructions like clicking through a website or testing a new app feature, and record your thoughts or any issues you find. Most tests take 10 to 20 minutes and pay around $10 to $20 each. Pro tip: be thorough with your feedback. Companies love testers who explain their thoughts clearly. This could lead to more invitations for high-paying tests. Finally, affiliate marketing. This is one of the best ways to make money online, even if you're a total beginner. Affiliate marketing means promoting products or services, and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Here's how to get started. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Choose products you genuinely like or think your audience would find useful. Share your affiliate links on social media, blogs, or even YouTube videos. For example, you could review a product you love and include a link in the description. If someone clicks your link and buys the product, you earn a percentage of the sale. Pro tip: focus on a specific niche, like fitness, tech gadgets, or home organization, to build trust with your audience. Want to scale this up? Combine affiliate marketing with content creation. Post helpful reviews, how-to guides, or tutorials and grow your audience while earning commissions. Now that you know how to make money online with no experience, check out this video on the 5 best passive income ideas for beginners. Trust me, it'll blow your mind. Which of these ideas are you most excited to try? Comment below, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for weekly tips to grow your income and achieve your goals. See you next time.